Hi everyone, I'm sending you this message so you have an idea of what we're doing tomorrow. I hope you're having a nice weekend and you're looking forward to the run. We're going to be at the store for 8:30 and what I'd like to do is leave pretty much bang on the dot. So what that means is, in terms of a warm-up, I'd like you to, if possible, if you're walking to the store, if you run for the 5 minutes it takes you to get there, or rather the last 5 minutes. And if you're driving, park a little bit further away, jog to the store, again 5 minutes or so, nice and slow. So you just feel warm when you get there. It shouldn't be as cold as it was the other night in the morning, but still, it's good to be warm, limbered up before we get into our long run. The run tomorrow is going to be nice, hopefully. I can say that in the warmth of my house right now. What we're going to do, I will send you a map as well, is we're going to run to Barad, across the bridge on the left-hand side, and then we're going to go onto the beach and head out to the Inukshuk, which should take us about 3.5 km, and then we're going to go back again, so an out and back, very simple. What I'm going to be doing tomorrow also is I'm not going to be leading the pack. I'm going to be buzzing up and down, and there's two reasons for that. One is that I want to get us used to our pace groups, because I think there's probably mainly two pace groups in the group so far, in terms of what we're comfortable at, and that can change over time. But just to see how that goes for our first long run, we're gonna get you guys sort of leading the way. And another reason I want to do that is that it forces you a little bit to be more aware of your surroundings. This is a beautiful part of the world, and I've purposely taken us to English Bay or around that area because I want you to really take it in. I think one of the things that people sometimes forget when they're talking about training or running is, it's not just about numbers, it's not just about getting in the miles. We should be doing this for enjoyment and fresh air and the beauty of what's around us. So having you guys memorize the route, or at least that's the theory, is going to get you to be keeping an eye out for what's around, making sure that you're more aware and more focused in the moment. So that's the hope. Let's see how it goes. So yeah, I'm going to wrap this up for now. The last thing, I'm going to talk about this tomorrow as well, but what we're going to do is the 10-1 rule. So if you're not familiar with that, that means that you run for 10 minutes and then you slow your pace down. We're going to be doing pretty slow pace tomorrow. It's a long run, so you're going to be going slower than normal. It's about building endurance and stamina, that sort of thing. So we're not going to be crushing the pace. But yeah, I want you to stick to that rule. Obviously, as time goes on, we'll see how that goes and how you feel comfortable. But it's early stages. Let's keep it simple. Again, the route's simple. You can see that. As I said, I'll send that to you. It should be on the same message. I don't know how images work yet, but we'll work it out. So I'm going to wrap this up. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a nice evening, and yeah, bye for now.